answer, Paddy. Good answer, Paddy. Keep
Yeah.
on snoring, Paddy.
That's funny.
Randy, go to bed. Time to go to bed, Patty.
None of you've ever done anything. None of you've ever done anything to help anybody in this world. No, you know what? You've never done anything to make this world a better place.
What the fuck have you done, Watson? What the fuck have you done? What the fuck have you done?
You never did anything, Dr. Watson.
Hey, to start off with Garfield, drop the doctor. Drop the doctor, because he's no fucking doctor.
You're a disgrace. You're a disgrace to the American race. You shouldn't be wearing a flag back in the war. You say you were in the military when your ass never seen no action. You say you're a marshal. You say you're a Secret Service. You say you're a CIA. How the fuck you find time to do all these shit, brother? You're full of shit.
I'm a contractor.
Hey, why you give me your address? I send you a gift, Watson.
I'm a contractor.
Watson, give me your address. I send you a gift. Fucking want to be.
Garfield.
I'm a person that's been.
Garfield.
Yes, Steve.
Your flashing message may cause harm to people who have.
Because you know why? I have done more than you've ever seen. Quite frankly, I'm tired of seeing it. So why don't you go out there?
Hey Watson, why are you gonna corner and fucking grab your dick and play with
you? Just
go in that corner, grab your dick and play with your
dick. You fucking maggot. You do not have bitching rights with me.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. I did. You do not earn them.
Watson, you are a subhuman. You have no right to be on this earth.
He's a disgrace to people who serve in the armed force. Steve, he claims he's special force. He claims he's Secret Service. He
claims so much, and he's just a little piece of shit that's never done anything in his life.
He's a fucking redneck. He's a redneck.
Kiss my ass.
Yeah, right. Did you wash it this morning?
Kiss my ass, you fucking maggot.
Yo, is that...
Hey, time out. Hey, wait. Watson, you know what amazes me, Watson, is that you were the winning sperm. That's what amazes me. You were the actual winning sperm. Could you imagine how bad all the other sperms were when you fucking beat them?
Well, I try.
Hey, G.
Yo.
I just want all I ever wanted was to make this world a better place. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Oh my God!
He couldn't find his dick if he actually had one.
Darling Watson, if you want to make this world a better place, get the fuck out of it as quick as possible, and it'll be better.
Yeah, stick a 4x4 in your mouth. Stick C4 in your mouth.
Is that the best you can come up with? Then I'm going to ask you one question.
Listen, don't leave your truth in.
Did I call you, or did you call me?
No, I called you to see if you changed. But you're still a fucking space cadet.
I'm a space kid.
Yes, sir.
Watson, darling, usually it's your day. Watson, darling, usually it's your day to hand it out. Today it's your day to take it. That's all.
Hey, Watson takes it all the time. He takes it all the time.
Good. Eat me, you little fuck.
Oh my God. Yo, you are sick, man. And you say you're a federal agent? Shit, you're a fucking want-to-be.
He's a gay. He's gay.
I am a walking piece of shit.
You are. You're right about it. You're a walking piece of shit. You're worse than a piece of shit.
Right on.
I am a walking piece of shit.
You're worse
I
than
don't
a
take prisoners.
You don't have to say it so dramatic.
Hey, listen, Dr. Watson, you can't even kill a fucking fly.
I don't want to have to carry them.
He doesn't take prisoners because he's never had a fucking opportunity to take prisoners.
There you go. Tell him, Steve.
It's all in his illusions and disillusions
Fucking
and
mind.
whatever.
Yo, this guy's mind is so fucking warped. It's so fucked up.
Back in black.
Give him a chance to prove himself.
This is a fact. Took a bullet in my.
You're full of shit.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. I'm not asking you to prove anything.
Oh, by the way, Watson. Who's your commander? Who's your commander for the U.S. Marshal? And I'm not talking to the president. I'm talking to your direct supervisor.
What? Are you talking about Brian?
I'm talking about your direct supervisor.
Hey,
Talking about
hey, Garfield. Garfield and Patty, listen to this. I once asked Dr. Watson
I'm really tired.
a question about how to conduct a battle. Now, this is the first thing you do when you go in to.
I hope you sleep well. I hope you sleep. I hope you sleep.
Hey, real quick.
I hope you sleep.
You go in
I
college.
I hope sleep well tonight.
You had the floor for a second.
He answered that. He says he's so experienced in warfare. I asked him the first thing they teach you in command and staff college, and he couldn't answer the question.
He's a want-to-be, man. Steve, everybody here know. Steve, everybody here wants.
Hang on, guys. I'll be right back. I want to talk to
Jane. Jane. Steve.
Garfield, that flashing on and off of your message underneath the cat is going to cause somebody an epileptic fit. Stop flashing it. Maybe there's somebody here who has epilepsy or something like that, and it's going to put him into a fit, for God's sake. So stop flashing it.
Oh my God, drop
Right,
him.
Steve, that's the silliest thing I've ever heard. Yeah, just turn your microphone down.
Steve,
It's not the silliest thing. There are programs on television that they
Drop
warn
him
you.
or do something here.
They warn you that watching this program
Everybody's ears.
may lead to people who are epileptic to have episodes.
Hey, Steve, don't look at it. It's easy. Just don't look at it.
I can't help that, Steve.
Well, just change it and put something else.
Oh,
Okay,
man.
why you bring shitty people in here? Jesus Christ.
You're really killing me, Steve. Go down to the bottom right of your screen. You see where that's got a little speaker down there? Double click that, and I'll tell you how to get to the volume and shit.
I've done every fucking thing possible.
Steve.
Have you double clicked your little icon down at the bottom right? Your
Steve,
volume.
listen, Sean. Sean can help you, Steve.
Just double click it. Let me know when
Hey,
you're done.
Steve.
The little speaker looking thing.
Do that. Let Sean help him. Let Sean help him fix it.
You see it down at the bottom right? Steve?
Steve, do you see it?